Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you have a cat in your life who maybe has suffered with hairballs? This is not a glamorous topic, but I want to show you something that has helped. So this is the SENTRY Hairball Relief for cats. And my cat recently was coughing. He had a dry cough and I thought he had a respiratory issue. But I took him to the vet and as it turned out, he had hairball constipation situation. So really, no, we want to talk about, but it is important to take care of our animals' health. So my vet actually recommended this for him. So it is a paste. It is fish flavored. Can't say it tastes good. I definitely don't want to try it, but it is this paste here. It's like a petroleum situation and it tastes like fish and you can just place it on your cat's paw and they can lick it off. So he definitely found relief from this and he stopped having his coughing and he's doing great now. So if you have a cat who has this problem, this could be an option to help them through it. And I would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.